In today's video, you can get started right away, and this fresh new app will help you earn money in under 40 seconds. You may repeat the process as many times as you want, and all you need is an internet connection, a laptop, computer, or any smartphone. You don't have to sell anything, make any videos, fill out any boring surveys, or do any affiliate marketing. All you have to do is sign up for this app and follow the steps in this video to generate money almost completely on autopilot. So this is the platform where you'll need to make an account, which should take no more than 60 seconds. You'll be able to sign in to this brand new app and it will do all of the work for you on total autopilot in less than 42 seconds. So I'll show you precisely how to do it, but you must follow all of the instructions in this video and stay until the end if you want this to work. This will be a simple way to earn money online in 2022. I'll show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. Now, before we get into this app, there's something else that you'll need to sign up for. So let's go through that other platform. So here's the website from which you'll be collecting these payouts. This is the website where you'll actually make money, and then you'll combine it with the second app that I'm about to show you, which is going to do all of the work for you on complete autopilot, and this website is called OfferVault.com, which is another CPA marketplace. CPA stands for cost per action, which means you can grab a referral link. So for some of these offers, you can refer other people through your link. You can share your link, and whenever someone uses your link to sign up to some offer for free just by entering their email address, you'll get paid a certain amount of money. As you can see here, some are gonna pay you with these amounts depending on what they need to complete, but in most cases, they just need to become a qualified lead by answering their first name, last name, and their email address, and for that, you'll be paid. They don't have to buy anything or spend any money, it's all free for them and they can benefit from that. Plus, you're making money just for them signing up. Also, there are certain offers in certain categories that you'll need to focus on that will work best with the app, which I'm about to show you, so you don't have to share this on any social media platforms. Now, once you come over to OfferVault.com, come over to the search bar, because that's going to help you find the best offers where people can sign up for free. Signing up takes them less than 60 seconds. So to find those offers, all you have to do is search for the keyword gift card. Once you search for a gift card, that's going to give you all of these different offers to which you can refer other people. When they sign up to those offers, you're going to get paid certain amounts of money and they have a chance to win a gift card. As you can see, in this case, they can have this gift card, and when they sign up for that offer, you'll get paid with this amount of money, and if you get 10 people to sign up, that's a lot of money you're getting. It's a lot easier to make them sign up for free through some offer where they can earn something like a $500 or $1,000 gift card than to try and sell them something. So what I mean is that it's a lot easier to make them sign up for something for free, especially when they can benefit from it. Most of those people will probably not win the giveaway, but they will want to give it a try because it's less than 60 seconds for them to have a chance to win something anyway. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below if you loved it. If you liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below, that will be awesome. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will make money in 2022, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,022 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. So, you can refer people to a giveaway where they can get different kinds of gift cards, as you can see here, and you can go through all of these different offers and try with all these different offers to see what's gonna work best for you. But for the sake of this video, we'll be focusing on this offer right here because it's proven to get easier results. As you can see underneath the offer, it's gonna say email submit. That means the people who will sign up through this offer just needs to answer their email address. It's free for them and they can have a chance to win this prize, and you're being paid with this amount per person that you refer this out for. Now, of course, you don't have to focus on this one particular offer. You can grab whatever offer you want to. You might even be able to find a better offer that pays more, but I'm just gonna use this one as an example. So once you find an offer, just click on it and that's gonna take you over to this page where you can get more information about how this offer works. You're being paid with this amount and people don't need to buy anything, they just need to take action to become a qualified lead by answering their email address. So let me show you how that's gonna look like. You can preview the offer right here. So we're sending people to this website where they'll be able to send this one over here, and they just need to enter their email address and hit continue. That's all you need to do. It's less than 10 seconds and they have a chance to earn this amount of gift card if they have been chosen. If they don't, it doesn't matter, you're still being paid for each person that you refer. So I just wanted to select some of the offers from OfferVault.com, a CPA marketplace with thousands of different offers. Just find the offer that you think would be suitable for you, that you think is easy to promote. Now, to grab your CPA link, all you have to do is select an offer or come over to this page. Read more about it if you want to, view the offer, and just click Run Offer right here. That's going to take you to their marketplaces. It's always going to be very different, and it's going to take you to a separate platform where you only need to sign up. That sign-up process will take a couple of minutes because it's a little bit more complicated. They will ask you for your first name, last name, it depends on the platform, but they will ask you for some basic information like where you live, what do you do for a living, and so on. It's nothing too complicated, but it will take a couple of minutes to sign up and grab the referral link. But once you grab the link, you'll be able to share it with other people so they can sign up for those offers for free and they have a chance to win gift cards and get you paid. Now, if you're wondering if this works and if you can make some money with a strategy, well, here's one of the websites that I've signed up for on OfferVault.com. I found this website I signed up for and I used today's strategy and now I'm making a decent amount of money. It's not any life-changing income, but it is $100 a day because it takes me less than 40 seconds to set it all up with an app which I'm about to show you in this video. It's still not bad, and once again, it's not any life-changing income, but I'm still pretty satisfied with the results. Now, the app I use to automate the entire process is ProfitMate.net/FE, and the one I use to promote my CPA links to make money on complete autopilot is this one right here. This app creates an unlimited email subscriber list for you, and it allows you to market photos, email subscribers like 24 hours a day, and you can promote whatever you want. You can maybe promote some affiliate offers or maybe even your offers. I mean, for this instance, I've used it to promote those CPA links from OfferVault.com and it worked pretty well for me. I haven't even tried any affiliate offers because it's a brand new app, but for CPA offers, it works well. You don't have to create a massive social media following and you don't have to spend thousands of dollars on ads. You can just log on to this app, set it up in a couple of minutes, and leave it to get you some traffic. As you can see, you can get unlimited emails utilizing 40 seconds. It takes less than 40 seconds, and yes, it's 100% legal, so it's really simple. They will provide everything for you to make sure you get some results. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you will start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell, like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money-making videos, go to the next video which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.